I can't believe that we didn't realise we'd docked though. Bit rude, isn't it? Statues on a phone. Getting quieter as the day goes on. The rain came. Well, good morning people. You can actually see land. I don't know if you can pick it out on the camera, but I can see at least 2 ships there already. One of them is definitely a Disney cruise line. I reckon it'll be the treasure. Oh, they're waving. Coffee, just what I need. Oh, that's good coffee. Just going to go and have a look if we've actually docked, because I'm convinced that we have. Typical first time cruisers. We thought we were sat waiting, so I've nipped out to the other side only to find out that we have actually docked, and have been docked since, for 10 minutes. Right, at least we know. Brilliant. Right, okay, time to go for a walk. Gangway, deck 1. For Disney, you can bring on 2 bottles of wine each, 750, or 6 cans of beer per person. And obviously, going off that sign, you could obviously bring another 2 bottles of 6 beers. I can't believe that we didn't realise we'd docked though. Punta Lagosta. The pharmacy there as soon as you come in. Duty free. Looks like they have an excursions waiting area as well down there, just as you come off the dock. There's a Starbucks.
Food information.
No, thank you.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Oh.
Okay. Bit rude, isn't it? Oh dear. Oh, Fat Tuesdays, Jason. I always hate coming to places like this because they tend to mither you to death. A bit like walking down the street in Egypt. But in fairness, that they're not doing. I just said no thanks and left me alone. Let's see what this cost me. So we ended up with 2 monsters and 6 cans of Modelo. $3 each in Modelo. Came into $26 in total. But I paid cash. I didn't particularly want to use my card. Another pharmacy. Well, that looks a nice bakery. Got a coffee or anything, man? Bit of a bar over there. $5 t-shirts. It is raining. It's spitting.
It's spitting! Everybody in!
Statues on a phone. We didn't spend long off the ship, about an hour. We just wanted a quick mooch around. There's a big massive rain cloud there at the minute. Head on back to the ship, see if it's a bit quieter for getting in the pools and stuff. Nope, I've no room for my beer. There we go. Not even been gone long and Ken's been in to clean the room. Much busier than I would like. And I suppose these are the kids' pools. Oh, this is better. You can actually get a bed. Seems to be getting quieter as the day goes on. Right, go and grab some food for dinner. The main kids' pool's still busy. This has been nothing compared to a day at sea. It's just not my bag. I mean, it's a kids' pool anyway, isn't it? But, oh, they're going to tell me I need shoes, aren't they? Oh, the sun's poking through. Right, note to self. You need to have shoes to go inside cabanas. Which I did assume, and I asked. And the chap I asked obviously didn't understand a word I was talking about and just nodded and said yes. So I'm on my way back to get my shoes. Oh dear. Shoes are quiet. Try again. We're going with today. Pizzas, chicken, what wine it is. You've been hot. Look alright.
That's a cheesecake.
Alright.
It's a vanilla slice.
I'll have the cheesecake, I think.
Strawberry tartlet.
It's nice, but like spongy.
It's gelatin.
Yeah. It is nice, it's just an odd texture. Like a military operation coming in here, you've got to clean your hands, which is brilliant. Kind of make everyone do it. I've worked out my pool dilemma. Jesus Christ. Oh, that'll do. Can't quite work out what Disney cruise ship that's going to be. If I can try and see it on my phone. My eyes are terrible. Anyone can see what that is, let me know. The rain came. I don't think it's going to last long, if I'm honest. The queue for this aqueduct always seems massive. But if I don't do it now, I'll never do it. Let's go and see how long this takes. Does anyone know why they ask him to leave the pool for 10 minutes every now and again? You're a long way up there, buddy. Well, I'll try the aqueduct another time. I didn't manage it. It says 45 minutes. And I'm not queuing for 45 minutes. So we shall revisit that one. See what we've got planned for tonight. What I did notice before when I went to the bar is that they automatically added gratuity, which isn't an issue, it's fine. I just didn't notice it at first and I went to do it again. So I'd just make sure you read the receipt that they give you, because obviously you're not paying for anything, you're putting it on your room key. And I nearly missed it. To be honest, I think when we had room service this morning, I probably missed it then and gave him double, but it doesn't matter. Right, what have we got? So we're at the Royal Palace this evening. We opted for 5:45 dinner each night. The servers have been ace, Reese and Stefan. Stefan's a bit hard to understand, but Reese, even though he's a Liverpudlian, I can understand him quite well. And then tomorrow we're back at Animator's Palette. Oh, escargot. What have we got here? I can't even say that. What? It's fish. Yeah, I might go with the fillet tonight, I think. Oh, they do a vegetarian offer as well. Looks like another massive bout of rain over there. Acquired another one. We are going to learn how to draw Hey. I did so bad at BB-8, I can only do better at this.
You're very on.
I didn't realise how long the neck was. That's good.
For sure.
Look at my body compared to yours. I think your mum's a winner.
Oh wow. We gotta hit.
Use sanitizer wipes every time you go in a restaurant as well. Oh wow. Thank you. That's alright, isn't it? Yeah, we will not be having any snails, thank you. Well, the evening meal was ace. Duck confit, breaded and deep fried brie. What else did we have? Crispy roasted duck. Oh, that looks lovely. Nice. Ended up with a roasted rack of lamb. And we all went simple really with the strawberry shortcake sundae. Right, gonna watch a movie I think. Yeah, Fantastic Four for tonight. Finished the movie off. Fantastic Four, very good. I don't know what it is, man. I was thinking E.T. I think. Yeah. I don't know. So we finished the evening off watching a Fantastic Four. I'm well and truly ready for my pit. We need to set the clocks back. No, we don't. We need to set the clocks forward again tonight. Put them back yesterday. Couple of beers in the room and then bed. So as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.